If you are an NFT enthusiast, Crypto Scholar has compiled a list of the best NFT projects to watch. What is an NFT project? An NFT project contains unique collections of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. An NFT is a non-interchangeable unit of data stored in a blockchain with proof of ownership. In general, an NFT project differs from NFT art as it is produced on a much larger scale. While NFT art is made on a small scale, mostly by individual artists, and marketed on the NFT marketplace, NFT projects are produced by large organizations and available for trading on their own platforms. Before dive into the main part, if you are interested in crypto-related projects, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Number 1. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity always ranked on top of the NFT industry, so does this year. Axie Infinity is one of the key players driving the play to earn NFT concept to the generalization in the blockchain space. In other words, Axie Infinity differs from most other NFT projects by focusing solely on how players complete game tasks and breed Axies. Axies are charming NFT animals that players may employ to combat against each other or to keep trading to earn more tokens. To date, the all-time trading volume of Axie Infinity is $4,019,390,587 with a total of 1,645,122 buyers. Number 2. CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks is one of the trendiest NFT projects that can't be missed. The CryptoPunks are 10,000 punk-themed 8-bit characters with unique attributes and characteristics. With dozens of distinctive collections, the value of NFT CryptoPunks is measured by the differences of each character. The highest value CryptoPunk collection was sold for 124,457 ETH, equivalent to $532 million. As a result of this incredible selling price, CryptoPunk has become the most expensive NFT project in existence. Indeed, the all-time trading volume of CryptoPunks is $2,084,406,290 with a total of 5,238 buyers. Number 3. Bored Ape Yacht Club. Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, is an NFT project by Yuga Labs. It contains a collection of unique NFT 10,000 pixel avatars on the Ethereum blockchain. One of the reasons BAYC is so desirable is because no NFT character has the same design, making each NFT from the BAYC collection highly pricey. Though first debuted in April of 2021, this NFT project appears competitive among several well-known NFTs despite its youth. According to Decrypt, Bored Ape Yacht Club is the third most popular NFT, after CryptoPunks. Given its current standing as one of the greatest NFT projects, there's no surprise that Bored Ape Yacht Club will be a worthwhile investment. In March 2022, the Bored Ape Yacht Club has an all-time trading volume of $1,384,829,779 with 9,576 buyers. That's all for today. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button, do comments about your best NFT projects, and do subscribe for more videos like this.